What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And I definitely need this tool right here, okay? So I did take my belt off of the pulley when I just had my regular ratchet set, the 15 millimeter. But when I'm trying to put the belt back on, it's harder to get on because the way my ratchet set is, it's kind of hard to get to the belt, and the ratchet set is kind of in the way. I'ma be honest, for being a Craftsman, this is probably the cheapest Craftsman tool that I ever bought in my life. Craftsman is like the upscale for mechanics, all right? Mechanics love Craftsman. It's just a household name. It's been here forever. I think they was one of the first ones that did lifetime warranties. That's why I think their name is so strong. But here we have our Serpentine belt tool, basically our tensioner ratchet right here. This thing is only $15.98. I had to add that part just in case y'all gonna be like, oh, y'all said it was $15. But I did look up online, so I am going to get another set too, but I want one set that's in a carrying case. This set I can leave in the toolbox, I ain't worried about it. Another set I can leave in the car just in case I need it for an emergency. I didn't go to Harbor Freight because it's not open at 6 a.m. So I went to Lowe's today, 6 a.m. to get this Craftsman set. Now, there was only 2 left, and I'm gonna be honest, this is what they look like. All right, I got pictures of the other one. It looked like somebody already opened it or they returned it and they just put it back on the shelf like this. But either way, 15 bucks, I need it. And this is the only 2 items that come with it, so I don't see no harm in it. Now, on my channel, I usually preach to you, stay ready so you don't have to get ready, but obviously, I didn't stay ready this time. So this is obviously a tool that I should have had a long time ago. So you could put your socket on here, you could put your wrench right here, and they got different positions where you can grip onto. Simple as that. For $15, this is it right here. 15 bucks. I've been working with my water pump for the past 4 days, you guys, since Monday. It is Thursday right now, Thursday morning. I still want to make this my 3-day working streak. All right. Well, can't do it no more. Wait, Monday morning, Tuesday morning, Wednesday morning, Thursday morning. So I'm still kind of on my 3 days, but usually when I work on my cars, I want it to be 2 days. All right, so let's finish this video. Okay, everyone, so I didn't get a chance to show y'all this in action, but I have my truck in here now. So I have work to do on my truck, and I think I need to change the belt on the truck. So I will be purchasing a belt soon, and y'all will see me do some more work on my truck and my wife's Toyota. So stay tuned on that, and this will be in use. All right. Once again, if you are a DIYer or you're just getting into you know, the auto mechanics and stuff like that, get this tool. You will definitely not regret. Okay. All right, you guys, other than that, like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified on the new products coming to the channel. Catch y'all in the next video.